Welcome to NetSuite. In this video we will cover the use and setup of the Reminders portlet. This portlet is a standard portlet on the home dashboard and is used to alert the user if a record meets a certain criteria. If this portlet is not displayed, click on the Personalize menu in the upper right. This shows icons of each portlet that can be added. Click the arrow icon on the right to scroll to more portlets. Click on Reminders. The Reminders portlet is now shown here. When a user first logs in the NetSuite, the portlet will generally not contain information. This is because the portlet shows information based on changes the user makes to NetSuite. This could be things like adding a new sales order record or updating a quote. The Reminders portlet shown indicates that there are 5 quotes that need to be printed. The criteria for this search is to display all quotes that have not yet been printed. To view a list of all records that meet this criteria, click on the name of the reminder here. Displayed is a list of all the records. We will navigate back to the home dashboard using the home icon in the upper left. Reminders portlets are generally configured for the user when the system administrator sets up the account. If the user needs another reminder added to the portlet, that can be done by clicking the Setup link from the drop-down menu of the portlet here. Displayed on the right are all current reminders set up for this portlet. You will notice that there are about 10 reminders set up and only 4 reminders showing information in the portlet. This is because a reminder will only show information if a record meets the criteria of the reminder. That is to say, currently there are no customer records that need to be renewed, so this reminder is not shown in the Reminders portlet. In the left column is a list of all reminders that can be added to the Reminders portlet. To add a reminder, click on it and it will move to the right column. Once you are finished, press Save. The portlet will now refresh. If there are any records that meet the Reminders criteria, it will now display in the Reminders portlet. That is all we will be covering in this video. If you need to learn more about the Reminders portlet, please refer to the Reminders 2 video.